So our family really misses Epcot in Disney World. So every month our parents have let us do one country. And this month we did Japan.
Helps with the lockdown.
Yep. So this is the Poppin Cookin Tanushi hamburger set, where basically it's a bunch of powdered candy packets.
Turn it over, Lucas, and everybody can see. Turn it right over, upside down. There you go.
Like this. And basically what you do is you put water in the powder and it makes these really cool burgers and these fries and soda. So it's got like a little open tab.
Adult supervision.
Adult supervision only.
And ingredients, guys, let's show the ingredients on the side just in case there's any.
So this has soybeans, contains soybeans, tree nuts, coconut, and milk. So soybeans, coconut, milk.
And you guys are okay with coconut?
We're good with coconut.
Always make sure you're checking the ingredients first. In our videos, you will always see us check the ingredients because we have many food allergies in the house, which we tell our clients about when they go away.
So we have inside the box this really neat little package. It's got like the burgers on it, the cup. So if we just rip this open here.
What's this? Is that a sticker?
I feel, no, this is it comes with a little tray.
Do you cut that after?
No, I don't think so. I think you just put it on. Oh, there's the cheese making thing.
Oh yeah.
That's where you slice the cheese, so it's not ripped it there.
Careful then. So when you're opening it,
like on this tiny
you would
little tab.
probably
From this little,
Can everybody see?
This little tab here.
These are my Make-A-Wish nails. Literally when you wish it was there. Okay. We're okay.
So now we open this part. Okay, here's where the actual stuff
Show them
is.
the map, what that's all about.
So this is, you put the burger and the finished fries and the drink on this after you're done, like you're on the box. Right?
On the other side.
It's just pictures, and this is what you make the little cheese on. It's like, oh, it's shaped like a cutting board.
Cute.
That's
and
smart.
like slices of cheese that tells you like you can cut it.
It's a square. That's so cool. Okay, so in the tray here we have a mini cup.
That's for the soda.
That's for the soda. A knife. It's like a plastic knife, so you don't have to worry about. Not very sharp. You don't have to worry about cutting yourself. Spoon, probably for stirring. Then we have this is the actual powder. So this is the bun. For the multiple buns. Makes like 3 buns. It's cool. Potato. So this would be the fries.
What does it say on it?
It says potato candy powder.
Can you say the flavor?
No, just a potato. This
Oh,
one
that's cool.
says
It's gonna be the
bun.
big
This one says
surprise.
bun candy powder. This one is the hamburger candy powder for the patty, right? Then we have the cheese candy powder. This is the smaller packet than the other 3, and these 2 are connected. This is the cola powder and the ketchup powder. Very excited for this. This is so cool. And then this is a little tray. So this, I believe, is actually a measuring cup that you measure the amount of water you need with this.
Check the directions.
Yeah, you would cut this part, and this part all apart. These are all different trays to make the things. This is for the fries and stuff. So here's some scissors.
I'm your handy dandy assistant.
Yes. So this would cut here. Just cut that. And this is the triangle cup. This measures how much water you need. Let's just put that there.
And what are you following, Lucas?
These instructions. So first, it says,
So that they can see everything.
the first thing it says is to measure the water exactly to the top of this triangle piece. Exactly to the top, just so you have enough. First it says to make the fries.
So who wants to do the fries? Okay, so I think we're gonna move on and let your brother try doing the fries, and we'll see you later, Lucas, to do a different part of this.
Hi guys, we're back. So, I believe this is the fries, and I have to use this one. And I'm pretty sure these little ridges here are for the individual fry. So once you take it out, you can cut them into little mini fries. That's actually really cool.
Let's show them. I'm gonna fold it up. I think that's kind of cool. That's really neat. So those are gonna make the fries on the box. Show them the box. I'm gonna make sure all the powder goes to the bottom.
Yeah. So on here, it says that you have to put it into the tray and put a triangle of water using this into it after you put the powder in, and then basically just mix it. And after it's fully mixed, you just wait for it to harden a bit, and you take it out, and then using this plastic knife here, you cut it into the individual fries.
Cool. So let's get going. So what's first?
So the first thing is to pour the powder into here.
There you go. So let's. I'm gonna not make a mess, and everybody's hands are washed.
Wash your hands before you do any food handling.
That's right. I guess
Stay
so.
safe.
The powder's in, and now we put a triangle of water in there.
A little bowl full of water. Should do it. Oh my gosh.
Okay, the triangle of water is now in there, and I believe we use this spoon they gave us to mix it. So
So gentle. Careful. Oh,
It's
nice
turning
and
yellow,
slow.
like fries.
that's really cool.
What does it smell like?
That's lemon.
Like a lemon?
It's like a lemon-ish, fresh lemon. Pineapple. Oh, that's pineapple. No, that's pineapple. That smells right.
know
That
that-
smells like pineapple.
Yeah.
Candy pineapple.
For
And
sure.
you guys had seen something like this. You want to scoop that up, Justin? You guys had seen something like this at Epcot,
Yes, we have.
Yes, and
right?
So now we use our fingers
Yeah, or you can use your. That's right. Yeah.
to press it down
You can probably use the stuff this thing too. Into the grooves.
into the grooves. Make sure that you wait for this to harden after you push it down. Otherwise, it will not turn out the way you want it to.
What do you mean harden?
Like you just wait for it like 30 seconds at least.
After you're done it.
After
So are you
I'm
gonna go
done
and try and make something else?
So I think when this is hardening, I'm gonna make a buns.
Make it nice and smooth maybe on top, I think. That's right there. There you go.
There we go. Okay, yeah, that seems a bit flat. So I'm just gonna leave that out. And now we are going to move on to the buns. So for the buns, here it is. I do not know what this flavor is yet, but it says here, add 4 triangle cups of water to the star tray, so this tray here, and add powder from the orange packet. Mix until the dough combines, like we did with the fries, and then divide the dough in half. And then fill 2 of these sections here, the 2 right and left ones, with the dough unit. That seems more simple than the fries. But...
So if you use 4 triangles of water, that means it's gonna make a lot more.
Yeah.
The packet, I noticed the packet is also bigger.
The packet is bigger.
First, let's put the... So I shook all the powder to the bottom. There you go.
So now let's put the powder.
You can smell it. Smell it.
Moms and dads, if you're watching this, I think that for somebody who would be super little, our youngest is 10, and he seems to be able to do this just fine. But there are some sharp edges on the plastic packaging, and I think that design-wise, if you didn't have them kind of pack it down properly, they might be disappointed with how it kind of looks. So you want them to do it themselves, but some supervision for sure. If they're not, let's say, past grade 5 yet, you're gonna want a little bit of supervision.
Okay, so we just finished the bun, and after I mix this, we are going to see what flavor it is. Probably orange. Yep, that is 100% orange.
It's gonna be so
We
good.
left some powder on there. I would make sure to kind of...
I'm gonna take a spoon, like right now. Let's get powder in there.
Yeah, check it out.
Almost done. Yeah, I can smell the orange from here.
Yeah.
Next.
Alright, so the bun powder is now done, and I'm going to put it into these 2 sides. So first, actually, it told me to divide this into half. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so I'm going to take this 1 half, put it into this side, and then just gently pack it down so it fits into the shape of the bun. Oh yeah, I got like the right half.
You having fun?
Yes,
Yes,
this is
very
very fun. Never done this before, but
I think it's pressed in too much on one side. You're gonna have to, yeah. Make it even.
You can use your fingers too.
there we go.
That's okay, but the more he can use the spoon, the better.
And I got this, and now I use the other side. Bit more.
Now the reason why he's taking time to make it so flat is because there's going to be stuff in between, right? Because the whole exciting part of this Poppin Cookin is that you are assembling different types of foods. There's ramen Poppin Cookin, sushi, like a carnival that you can set up. It's so fun.
I want to do more of this.
You guys first saw this at Epcot, am I right?
Yes, we
Yes.
first saw this at Epcot.
Okay.
There we go.
We need a little bit more
Yeah,
on this side.
because this side here.
And let's move it down. It's really it's a pretty solid consistency.
Like how like a cookie dough?
No,
I would say
it's more
harder.
solid. It's like slime.
Yeah.
It's like slime.
Oh,
Kind of the
okay.
consistency of slime. Okay, so the next step on here says that I have to remove. Oh no, keep it in there actually. This we leave to the side for the assembly. Same with. No, not with the fries. You actually have to cut the fries now. Yeah, that's 100% hardened.
So you're gonna do
So I
that.
have to push it out, but gently, so that it keeps the shape with the ridges on the container.
So cool.
There we go.
Oh my gosh, they look so perfect.
They're like little
Looks like
fries.
Mini fries.
Can you see those edges? And look, I'm putting try to keep it neat and tidy if you can. Because it's still food.
Yes, micro fries is the best of all.
So while you guys are doing that,
Like when you get it, it feels hard, but once you cut it, it's actually a bit more easier in your thin.
so while he's doing that, I'm cutting the mat that you see on the front of the box. We're gonna cut that while he cuts the fries. That's super cool to see, Justin.
Look how cute this is.
I know.
little mini
Is that
fries.
like your favorite part? You guys always talk about going back to, is it Mitsukushi?
Mitsukushi, yes.
Yeah, but to the Japanese store. That's a brand actually that's been around in Japan for a long time. Very important store.
It's a little micro fry. It looks so real. Like the little bits coming off of it looks like salt.
We did first see this at Epcot.
So
I
now
remember.
we do the first part of this. You put the fries on this little micro dish here, and I'll move that to the side after we're done.
I do remember seeing this though and wanting to try it because it looked so cool.
I know, and we didn't bring it home last time because it wouldn't fit in the suitcase. And we thought, well, next time. And look what happened to next time. So we are bringing Epcot home with us. Until next time.
And ketchup will wait too.
Ketchup will be made.
And there you have it. The fries are now done, if you don't count ketchup.
These look so cute.
And the buns, just let them dry there. They're kind of drying, but it's supposed to do that. So do not worry. And
Are you going to do the patty? Or is that going to be Lucas again?
It's gonna be me again.
Okay, we're going to switch off to Lucas.
Alright, I'm back. And now we're going to make the patty. This is so cool. So for the patty, it says add 4 triangle cups of water to this tray here. Then add the powder from the brown packet. Mix well and fill the middle section of the buns area until it's full. It'll become firm in about 10 minutes. Okay. So we're going to take this to the bottom of the bag. And we're going to use the scissors to cut the top off. Just put that there. And here's the powder.
We watched this morning on a different video, didn't we?
Yes, we did. We watched what it looked like at the end and how you're supposed to do this more precisely. So this is our little container filled with the patty powder, and it says 4 triangles of water right here on the bottom left. So let's take these out. There's 1 and 2. This is so cool. I didn't think I'd be making burgers. 3 and 4. Notice how I'm filling it up to the top of the triangle every time. And where's this gonna go?
Always keep your
There it is.
utensils close.
Keep them close so you know where they are. And we're gonna mix the patty. Now I'm gonna see what flavor it is. It smells like chocolate. I think that's chocolate.
It doesn't tell us, does
It
it?
doesn't tell us. It just says patty flavor, patty candy powder on it. And oh, this is a little more liquidy actually than the buns and the fries. Oh, okay, it's starting to become more clear of a brown now. I don't know if you can see that. It looks very liquidy compared to the other two.
Gritty almost.
Yeah, like a
Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
Okay. So this should be about done mixing now. So we're gonna pull up this tray with the buns in them, and we're gonna put it in the middle section. So let's scoop this in a bit. It's like
Probably use the
paste.
corners to kind of
Yeah.
make it properly instead of doing that. Yeah, that's it. Just like that. Yeah, for sure. I think those corners are meant for that. Makes more sense for sure.
Probably gonna have to wash this before we mix the ketchup in here. Okay, so that's gonna be our little burger. And the spoon needs to be washed too. It's covered in burger liquid. So now we have our buns and our patty are setting in this little nice container that they give us. So the next step is the cheese. So in the fries container, we're supposed to add 1 triangle of water before the powder. Then we add the cheese flavor. Okay. So we add the 1 triangle of water. Oh, that's not enough. There we go. 1 triangle of water to the bottom first. Okay, then we add our cheese powder. So let's cut this open. There we go. This is so cool. I'm guessing the cheese, by the looks of it on the package, the cheese is going to be like an orangey color. So let's pour this in and see what happens.
I just wash everything and I make sure to dry it, Lucas, because I think drying it is important because
Yes.
of how little water you guys are adding. And if
So-
you guys live in the Toronto region, I think there's a T&T now out in Mississauga. If you're from out west, you'll know what that is, Asian supermarket. We got this at, oh, you good there?
Oh, yeah, looks good. Oh, this is very strong of banana.
Yeah,
That's like very strong. It's very strong.
So what are the flavors we have now, Justin?
So we have chocolate, orange. The fries are definitely pineapple, and then now banana.
Banana cheese.
It's gonna be fun to eat it, see what it
This is
tastes
very
like.
fun to eat. Okay, so this is pretty well done mixing. The next step it says is to knead it. So I have to pick it up and knead it in my hands. Oh, it's like a gummy texture. That's neat. You're gonna knead it in your hands. Then, over here, it's got like a little nice cutting board on the package. We've already cut it out. But if you haven't done that yet, you can probably do so. Look at this. So now we put this on here, and we neatly just spread it out over the lines, because it gives us lines. This is so cool. It's like a... I don't know why I'm so fascinated by the fact that it looks like a mini cutting board. Yeah, it's definitely banana. This is cool. Okay, so once it's on the cutting board, I could probably make this a little neater into a square shape. Like this. There we go. So it says once it's on the cutting board, slice it down the middle, and cut it in half.
Looks like they have a line there for you too.
Yes, it's got like a little line there that goes through the cheese if you can't see it.
That banana is so strong.
It's
I'm smelling
very
the
strong.
pineapple too, but that banana.
I smell the pineapple with the banana. Wow,
Holy.
that's very strong. So it gives us a little knife. So we're just gonna cut it like this. There we go. And now we have little mini cheese slices.
Oh, yeah.
So we're not supposed to take these off yet. They still have to set. I just wanted to separate them so they wouldn't stick together halfway through. So that's next. We're gonna move on to the cola and the ketchup.
Hey guys, the kids actually let me do something because honestly, I'm just a kid at heart.
Yes.
So next we're going to be doing the ketchup. 1 cupful. So I already cut the packets, but they come in smaller packets. The cola they said to actually do after they assemble. So while I'm in here, we're going to have the kids assemble and then I'll do the cola. So we're going to do that. Fill our rigid, they call it a rigid container. And I have to fill this. I think there's a line, or did it say right to the top?
It
Right
just
to the top?
said-
It says fill.
Add 1 triangle of water.
1 triangle for the ketchup?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Keep your utensils where you work.
I know. My kids love to cook.
Yes.
All different things. But today, we lifted their spirits. They can't wait for the Kitkats to get here. Oh my
Yes.
god, this smells so good.
What does it smell
This
like?
isn't even strawberry. I
Oh.
feel like it's raspberry. I'm gonna bring it. No, that's strawberry for sure. I wish it was cherry. We all know how much we love.
Cherry is probably one of my
Is it
favorite
Sakumara?
flavors.
the cherry tree, cherry blossom. Okay, that ketchup's done. So then it says to assemble. So we can actually have you guys do that. There's
next is the
instructions.
cola.
No, it says the
next
cola
is
is
the-
after. So I'm gonna just pour the powder in for the cola while you guys get to
Wait.
assembling.
The burger has to be finished setting, and it looks like it might be done.
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure that's done.
Okay.
So first is the buns and the.
We can see you guys from that side. So just put your hands in there and get going.
I
Is
don't
it coming?
think that one
loose?
might not be
This is
set
not
yet.
ready. This is not ready. I can feel it.
Okay, so while he's doing that, I'm gonna do cola. It says to do it last. Probably because it fizzes and it's like gonna lose its fizz after. I've seen that these fizz. I feel like I need this to be really cool.
And then to make it.
That powder looks different than the others.
Oh, you're supposed to add the powder after you add the water.
Okay, so let's pour that back onto the packaging. Careful.
I did my buns.
I'm not letting it spill. How much water? Oh, cool.
Up to the line it says on the package. So it looks like it's about here.
Okay.
Or here if you can't.
Okay, so let's use the bowl. Should probably know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill this container with water. And you guys are waiting for that patty to solidify.
It looks ready on top. It
There
feels
seems
ready.
to be a line, like I said. Is it just the ridge of the cup?
Just the ridge of the cup. Or a little less than the ridge
I
of
think
the
you're
cup.
supposed to do the powder first.
No, it says fill the cup with water up to the line marker. Add powder.
Okay. I don't see the line marker.
That's a bit lower than that. Up to look. It has a little line
Oh,
on the
okay.
box, which
But that line, I don't know if
that's about right. Yeah,
I don't see that in there. Do you guys see
it's
the
an
line?
estimate. I can tell that looks about
I
right.
feel like that's not enough. I mean, like, I think you pour out more.
That's good.
I think that's
Add
it.
the powder and it adds a bit more.
Okay. Be careful
like
with the powder
volume.
because we forgot to put the water in first.
Hey, you're gonna make mistakes.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that looked wet.
Whoa. Ooh, okay.
So
where's the spoon?
neat. It's okay, we'll use. Where's the spoon actually? It's here, but then the ketchup. Let's use the bottom of the knife.
Dude, that's
Oh my god, the smell is like
actual cola.
Coca-Cola.
Yeah, I don't think it will taste like Coke.
We're gonna see.
Oh, I can
We're gonna
smell it
see.
from here.
We're all gonna pour this in a different container and take turns. Gonna get a napkin to clean this off.
Yep.
While Justin is gonna come back into the camera.
I think I just need the knife.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
then
I'll
we'll
get
come
it
into the
right.
cameras because you already cut one of the
Cut the
buns.
burger.
Make sure that you're in the. This would be in the camera, okay, Justin, right here.
So I've cut my bun so far.
Okay.
And now we're going to gently take out the patty.
The cocoa side and the ketchup side.
This is like the texture of this bun is like a gummy.
I know on camera so I can't see him.
The
This,
texture of this bun is like a gummy sort of texture.
this is more gummy than the bun.
Yep, that's perfect. Keep going.
Perfect.
Don't stop. There we go. Keep going. Don't stop. No, Justin, you're pressing it. Yeah, you
Oh,
press it.
yes.
There we go.
Good job.
Nice.
Okay, so now what's gonna happen now?
This is so
Assemble now.
we
Cut down
assemble.
to 3.
This one needs to be cut into 2. This other patty also needs to be cut into 2. So let's slowly do that.
And there we go.
There we go.
Oh, trying to make
And
them even.
The patty actually needs to be cut into 3.
So thirds, right?
Yes, so one here
Estimating.
and one here.
So when you go down, Lucas, you want to make sure it's going down evenly. Okay, not on a slant. Can you try now?
Wait, oh no, they're both on a slant. That's
That doesn't matter. It's not the end of the world, but that's
Okay.
what you're trying for, okay?
Let's try and cut that down the middle there.
Yeah, if it doesn't fit nicely in the bun, then you can just cut a little bit more. This is candy, guys.
Okay.
This is like, can you tell? It's really jelly.
Yeah, this is like jelly.
Probably could have left
Just
this.
pull back the box for reference. The hamburger has the bottom bun, which is the flatter side, right here. The flatter side, and then one patty, a slice of cheese, some ketchup, and then the top bun. So Justin's gonna assemble that now.
So, watch. Next, this is kind of sticky, but it's mostly like a bun.
Ooh, that one looks really good.
Okay, and now we are going to add
Don't wipe your hands on there. Yeah, let's keep that.
cheese. Beautiful cheeseburger.
Do you want to clean your hands? I think that burger could have cooked longer.
That burger
Just a
could
bit.
it's no heat.
No heat.
It says no bake on the box
yeah.
in big letters.
So now you're going to use a little bit of that ketchup
Just
because
a tiny bit of this ketchup that looks really good. Ketchup.
Yeah, I'm gonna smell this because apparently it smells like
use the back of the spoon.
it smells
There
like
you
strawberry.
go.
There we go.
How cute is that?
And then we put the top bun on top.
Go ahead.
Wow! Oh my god! It's
Okay, well, let's-
McDonald's
okay.
burger.
That's
Yep.
very delicate
Let's
though.
very delicate. So we're gonna put that. Let's assemble them on the mat. Okay, so we don't need to move them.
So next is the double burger. So let's put that here. So first it starts with a small bun. Then we do one patty.
Good job.
Then
Making it work.
We put the slice of cheese. A tiny bit of ketchup. It's definitely not a tiny bit.
That's okay. You got lots of.
Ketchup. There we go. Ketchup. Okay, and then it should say another patty, and then the top bun. So add that patty. There we go.
A double layered burger.
A double layered burger.
Oh my god.
This is
Adding
so cute.
I'm gonna slide that bun over.
we're
Okay,
not
so
done
I'm
yet.
gonna tilt. What are you gonna put that? Oh, the ketchup, goes on the fries.
goes on the fries. So let's just dollop that on top, like it says. Dollop.
That is not how I like my ketchup.
No, we like it on
I
the
like
side,
to
and you
dip it.
dip your
We are
fries in the
dippers.
ketchup. There we go.
Did you
But this
see
is candy, so they're not real fries.
I know,
Can you see
but
that?
I want some of that candy over here.
Oh, okay. So let's put that
I think you need more.
a little less.
This looks amazing.
This looks so
This looks
fun.
so good. All right.
Okay, so we're gonna take this down, and then that way you guys can see the whole thing. I'm gonna take it from a different angle.